In a number of my stories, I've referred to an antiquated park. In fact, this is the Temple of Earth Park. Some years ago, before tourism had developed much, it was as desolate and neglected as a wasteland. People seldom gave it a thought. Beginning with that afternoon when I happened to go to this park, I've never been away from it for long. I understood at once why it was there. As I said in one story, in a densely populated city, it's as if God painstakingly arranged for a place as serene as this. It was about the right time for me to come here. When the park was finally ready for me, a man at loose ends, I maneuvered my wheelchair into the park for the first time. The sun, on its ancient, unchanged path, was just growing bigger and redder. In the still rays of light suffusing the park, it was easy for a person to see the time, and easy to see his own shadow. In 15 years, people who didn't understand this old park had wantonly altered some of its design and structure. Fortunately, there were some things that no one could change about it. For example, time in the park, a flock of swallows comes out and sings, their desolate song filling the space between heaven and earth. Or the footprints children make in the snow in the wintertime, always leading people to wonder who they are, what they are doing there, and where they are going. Or the autumn wind suddenly arrives, and there is an early frost, and falling leaves, or tottering singing and dancing, or calm and quiet sleep. The park is pervaded with an atmosphere of tranquility and a little bitterness. Atmosphere is the most difficult thing to explain. My words can't convey this atmosphere. You have to be there and smell it for yourself.